Hey everyone, it's Anna from P&W Blanks and Sublimation, and today we are showing off a brand new product, which are these, see if I can get it in the frame here, back it up, these Sublimation portfolios. So when you open this up, it has all these pockets and a pen holder and a pad of paper. We're going to go ahead and slip this pad of paper out so when we're pressing, we're not pressing the paper. And it is black on back. It's like a canvas material. And then it has the white fabric on front for sublimation. So I have my design here, which I got off of Creative Fabrica. And then I added the little phrase, "Life is short, buy the fabric." It's for my coworker who quilts. I have this part here to go with it. So we're going to just do this cute little quilted fabric pattern on the glitter acrylic paper clip. So then we'll have a nice fun little set for her. First things first, we're going to test our pressure. Alright, so we're going to take care of setting our pressure and doing our pre-press at the same time here. And we want to pre-press it for roughly 20 seconds or so. We are going to do the full press at 45 seconds. So we do want to get a nice pre-press to get any moisture out of that fabric. Alrighty. And then we will start with our design and tape our design down and get everything ready to press. Alright, let's go ahead and tape our design and make sure that we got it lined up really well. And since I always get asked about sizes, I did this at 8.2 wide and 12.5 tall. And that just is to leave a little bit of a bleed, or bleed room, I guess you could say. And I'm going to go ahead and tape it down, and I'm actually going to, so I have something to tape it down to. I'm going to put my parchment paper down here and make sure that we are completely covering the white. Make sure, there we go, we're all protected. And I am pressing, since it's a textile, I'm pressing at 375 for 45 seconds. And I'm using a medium to heavy pressure. And I am using my P&W Cascadia Pro Press. I absolutely love this press. It's amazing. Going on 4 years using it. Haven't had any issues whatsoever. And you can switch between manual open and auto open, which I think is really cool. I do use the manual for sublimation printing, but auto open helps so much when I'm using DTF, direct to film transfers. Also has a slight countdown starting at 3, 2, 1, and then it has the long beep to let you know that it's finished. And then we can kind of see our design through it, and we can also take a little peek just to see how it looks. I think it looks fantastic. I can't wait to reveal. I am super excited about this new product. Oh, that has turned out so pretty. Look at that. See if you can see that. So it says, "Life is short, buy the fabric." It has this gorgeous multicolored sparkly sewing machine here with a little bit of a junk journal kind of background, and it just turned out so cute. Sorry, I'm trying to, maybe if we, there we go. Look at that. So then when we put our pad of paper back in, and the great thing about this, as opposed to the other notebooks where you have to glue the notebook in, these pads of paper are completely replaceable. So you could even, if it was for someone who is an artist, then you could do plain paper instead of the lined paper. but now she can do, like, she can jot down some patterns and what she needs to get at the store or whatever she wants. And I think what I'm going to do later this week is make her a matching pen as well that we can add to it. But in the meantime, we'll just go ahead and set this off to the side. That was super quick and easy. And there's so many different designs that you could use for these. You can even adapt tumbler designs for them if you wanted to. But that just turned out so cute and pretty and vibrant. Love those Cyclone 2.0 inks. So we will go ahead and fold up our piece of parchment just so we're not wasting anything. And this is our heart glitter paper clip. And we cut these in-house on our industrial laser, and we can do custom requests as well. You want to peel the plastic off of the back side because the back is white and then the front is glitter. And you want to leave the cover on the front side until we're done. And you're not going to mirror your design, and you're just going to, oh, please tell me I made my rectangle or square big enough. Just barely. We're going to go ahead and get some tape on here. And you'll see we don't mirror our design, and we press the back side similar to when you're doing glass cutting boards or something like that. And then once it's done, you'll see how it looks with the reveal of the glitter, and it shines through. The design shines through. All right, gonna go ahead and use that same piece of paper. And I'm not gonna change anything with my pressure just for sake of being pretty quick with this video. But normally I do press these at a light to medium pressure. So I'm at a 3. My P&W Cascadia Pro Press has a pressure readout, which is super helpful. And I'm doing the same 375 for 45 seconds. That'll work. I usually do my acrylic paper clips at a little bit of a lower temperature. But for the sake of time, we'll just go ahead and do that. And then what I like to do with the paper clips is I don't do anything with it. I just leave it just like that. I put it off to the side and put something heavy and flat on top of it. All right, and once it's cooled down, then we will go ahead and take off our transfer. That's what it looks like on the back. And then so far, this is what it looks like on the front. But I'm going to show you where the magic happens. This is my favorite part. Let's see if I can get the... So it's a little bit, I mean, it looks cute, but it's a little on the dull side. Now watch what happens when we peel off the top. Do you see how it's just getting so bright and vibrant and bold there? It's just revealing that sparkle and those colors. Look at that. So pretty and so fun. I love it. And even though it doesn't really look like quilted fabric anymore, it's still a really cute and fun pattern to go with her portfolio. So then we can just go ahead and slip that in here. And now she has a fun little paper clip with her portfolio, a really cute, vibrant design. And that's that. So these are now available at pnwblanks.com. Go ahead and grab them. We do have quantity discounts because I anticipate these being super popular new product and going fast. And I would, like I mentioned, I would pair it with a paper clip and a pen just to make it kind of a really cute set. You can also pair it with a matching tumbler. We have all of those items over at pnwblanks.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. Head on over to our Facebook page. The link is in the description below. for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!